Hello friends, welcome to marksvilleandme.com. Today I got another great Aosky product I wanted to bring to your attention. Today I'm bringing to your attention the Professional Precision Magnetic Screwdriver Set. This is a 70-in-1 electronic repair toolkit. And as you see, it comes with a really nice hard plastic body case with a nice simple flip open closure, secure area. You just simply push it, it locks shut, really secure. It's also got two little tiny holes there, which you could probably put like those little zip ties through there to kind of give it a little extra hold, so that if you're carrying it for any duration of time, you don't have to worry about it possibly popping open and spilling out the bits and stuff like that are within it. Another really great feature about this is if you have a work table or workbench in your tool shop or wherever you keep your tools, it does have this little hanging mechanism on the back, which is really nice. So that raises up, so that way you can just hang it up on a pegboard, and that way it's ready to go at a moment's notice. And I'm just going to open it up here real quick and try to show you real quick at a glance what everything is. So right here you see you get some sockets all along the outer edge, and then you're going to have a series of different types of bits. Altogether, this whole set is going to be 70 pieces, and that's including the case. The case is one of the pieces. But a couple of the neat features about this, and I'll include a picture or diagram of all the bits, kind of like showing you what style bits they are with the heads, whether it's Phillips or there's some in there that are really unique, which are really good if you ever worked on gaming systems and stuff like that. It's really good for working on those, because they're these ones right here. They're recessed hole Torx. They're a really good set of bits to have in any set, especially if you're working on a lot of electronic products, and especially gaming equipment. But you get two shafts, and one is a larger one, and they all have this nice little plastic thing here which kind of goes with the hole, so that way it kind of holds it from falling and bouncing around, so it only goes into one way. So real quick, I wanted to show you the nice thing about these is that they're all magnetic, which is really nice, so you don't have to worry about losing your bits. So you can hear it click in there, knowing that it's magnetic. But this particular one is really nice, as it is a larger handle screwdriver, but it has this mechanism in the shaft here. It's spring loaded, and what that does is you pull it down with your thumb, and it has adjustments, so you can make your screwdriver handle longer or shorter. It does come right out, and that's your total length there, which looks about maybe 5 inches, and maybe 5 or 6 inches, and each one has a little notch in it, so you can put it at the appropriate spot that you want to be, and then you just kind of give it a little wiggle, it'll lock into place. And it's just really neat that it comes with that. Also, this comes with a little pry bar here, which is really nice if you've ever had to pry up little tack screws or stuff like that. But it also has that shaft that has the ridges on it, so that way you could use it in here and put it to your desired particular length. So that's really nice. And they do, like I said, they fit in here really nice, and they snap into place, so they're secure. With the little screwdriver, it's got a couple of really neat features I wanted to show you as well. See, it's so secure I almost couldn't get it out of the actual case. So anyway, the little screwdriver here, this is really convenient because it has a swivel end, so that way when you're working on your electronic products or whatever you're working on, it swivels while in your palm while you're applying pressure. In particular, like if you're taking out or putting in a screw. So that's really nice. What it does is it's going to work in conjunction with this little shaft here, which you'll unscrew the end, it'll slip into there, and then you just tighten it on. And then your little bits from this set can go in there. See if I can get one of those out now. So here's one of the little bits, and that goes right in there like that. And this is just really, this is overall, this is a really good one for working on electronics equipment, whether it be like a tablet, cell phone, even sometimes watches. You may need to get the screw off the back of a watch to be able to get in and replace a battery. A lot of times you're going to need a good precision screwdriver to be able to get those screws out, because they're sealed in there with usually with a silicone ring, which applies a little bit of back pressure on the plate, and when they're screwed in, they have extra pieces in there to make it usually waterproof, and also it just they're really snug in there. And if you use a big screwdriver that's not meant for it, you're gonna end up stripping the head, and then you're gonna have to take it to a jeweler, and it's just gonna be, you know, a headache, and it's a lot of unnecessary cost. When if you just get the right tool in the first place, you wouldn't have that problem. So like I said, I'll include in the link a picture of all of these particular sockets, so you know what sockets come with this particular set. It does come with a nice assortment of sockets. But overall, I think this is a really great set by Aosky, and I don't want you to just take my word for it. Check out the link in the description below and find out if this item's right for you or not. And thank you for stopping by here today at marksvilleme.com. Take care, folks. Bye-bye.